Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to download the Idle Heroes application on your Android or iOS device. First of all, launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store on your device, whether you are using a smartphone or tablets or iPads. Once you're inside this page, go to the search bar at the bottom center and in the search icon type in Idle Heroes. Look for this application from DH Games and tap on install or the cloud icon or the get button and authenticate. Soon after you do that, you will be able to start the download process. Now it'll take a few minutes depending upon your internet speed. Just get the application downloaded and once it does, you'll be able to play the game immediately. Idle Heroes is a fun game that's easy to pick up but hard to put down. It is an addictive strategy RPG where heroes battle automatically while you focus on leveling up your team and conquering challenges. For downloading, make sure that your phone or tablet can handle the game. For Android, you'll need Android 5.0 or higher. For iOS, you'll need iOS 10.0 or newer should do the trick. Also make sure you have enough storage space. The game can take around 1.5 GB depending on updates. So after waiting for a couple of minutes, let the game download and install and tap the play button once ready. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.